When it comes to shopping for coastal real estate, sometimes the best views are from the water. Join us as we tour Waterfront and see the real estate opportunities available. Welcome to part one of our Fishing for the Right Real Estate series. Today, we're starting our journey exploring incredible bayfront properties here on South Padre Island. With so many stunning options, it's impossible to cover them all in just one go. So be sure to stay tuned for part two, where we will dive even deeper into more waterfront gems. You won't want to miss it. As we stroll down the Laguna Madre, the first stop is this 4-bedroom bayfront home. This home is my favorite of the ones we'll see today because this used to be my grandparents' house. I can remember coming here every Sunday evening with my cousins for dinner. This home is listed at $2.95, has 4.5 bathrooms, 4 bedrooms, as I mentioned earlier, and around 3,100 square feet. It's in the established neighborhood of Fiesta Isles. You've got a swimming pool and this awesome dock and fishing area, not to mention the incredible sunset views. As we cruise down the bay, we come to the Sunset Condominiums. These homes are primarily first homes and do not allow for short-term rentals. And it makes sense because they have amazing amenities. Currently, we've got 3 units available in the Sunset Condominium complex, a corner unit on the first floor, another first floor center unit, and then a third floor unit. These condos all have large bedrooms and oversized balconies overlooking the bay and the beautiful sunset. The amenities at the Sunset Condominiums include gated covered parking, gated boat storage, boat docks, a heated pool, and a lap pool, as well as a hot tub, tennis and pickleball courts, and a health club with plenty of equipment, which also offers racquetball, sauna, steam room, and an inside hot tub. The HOA is paid quarterly, and the fee depends on your specific unit, but runs around $800 to $1,000 per month, paid quarterly. Units at Sunset Condominiums may be rented for a 30-day minimal time period. Unit 104 is a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath at 1,150 square feet. This unit is listed at $495 by Remax Padre Elite Team. I love the ground floor patio because you can head out for a morning coffee or evening cocktail without much effort, and then you are available for a quick hello or visit with your neighbor. I recently showed this unit and love the location of it in the complex. Unit 305 on the 3rd floor has been freshly updated by one of our local favorite design teams at Sisters Trading, and it is listed at $699,000. This unit has 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. One of the rooms is functioning currently as an office. This unit has 1,150 square feet. It's absolutely beautiful. This unit's listed by Catherine Childress with Troy Giles Realty, and the unit is a must-see. Here is one additional unit I wanted to show you in the Sunset Condominiums. It's listed by Catherine Childress with Giles Realty. So this unit is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's on the 6th floor. And here we go with the photos. You can see the dining area here. It's decorated beautifully. The marlin does not go with the sail, but everything else does. So here's your living area. And here's bedroom number 1. You can see you've got the bay views from your bed. You have your balcony to walk straight out onto from both the living and the bedroom. Here is another view. You've got the sliding doors to go into the restroom. And here we can look into that closet area, double vanity bathroom. There's your shower. And here is your second bedroom. It's closet space. That's your second bathroom. This unit has 1,150 square feet. It's listed at $595. The Tierra Encantada complex offers a pool, hot tub, boat docks, sauna, elevator, and plenty of space to park your boat trailer. Short-term rentals are allowed with a 7-night minimum restriction. Unit 206 is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit priced at $485,000, listed by Tony Alterman with Next Home. The unit is 1,174 square feet, and the dining area and balcony look straight to the beautiful bay waters. I recently showed this unit to a client and can vouch for the patio space and views. It's perfect for outdoor sunset dinners. Welcome to this 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit, which is located in the heart of the island. While the condo complex is on the bay and is bayfront, the unit does not look directly out onto the bay. You can look sideways and see the bay waters, but we can't call it a bay view. This is a good option for someone who wants the bayfront amenities and views from the pool and the docks, and it is listed at a great price. With 896 square feet, the unit is priced at $329,900. This is at the Fiesta del Sol condominium complex. This unit is listed by Sarah McKinley with Keller Williams Realty. Here we are talking about the Galleon Bay unit. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit. This is listed by Catherine Childress with Troy Giles Realty. And the unit is unique in a couple of ways. So you can see here with the photographs, we've got this balcony over to the side. You can see the bay waters. Here's a picture of the complex, which I love. So you can see exactly where 305 is. And here's your sunset. That's what you're going to be seeing. The unit is directly on the bay. And here are some interior shots. Now, with this unit, you are going to pay an HOA fee around $525 a month. That covers really everything: exterior insurance, water. You're pretty much going to be paying for the electricity. This unit will come furnished, and the seller is willing to do owner financing, which we don't always find. It would need to be, of course, the right buyer that would qualify with the seller. And this property is around 983 square feet, and it is listed at $369. Here's another great thing about this complex. It is gated, and look at this. You've got covered parking, underground covered parking, direct access with docks and fishing cleaning station, area back overlooking the bay, and again to that beautiful sunset. This is just the beginning of our Fishing for Real Estate series. We have so many beautiful bayfront properties on the island to explore. So stay tuned and keep an eye out for the next one. You won't want to miss it. Well, that's a wrap on this episode of the Fishing for Real Estate series, but there's plenty more to come. We will be showcasing more stunning bayfront properties soon, so make sure to stay tuned. If any of these properties today caught your eye, let us know in the comments below. We have people just like you every day sending us a text or an email to inquire about the real estate here on the island, so please don't hesitate to reach out. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss an issue. And until next time, this is Denise signing off from the shores of South Padre Island.